At the heart of almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lies a cosmic monster, a supermassive black hole millions, sometimes billions, of times larger than our sun. But here's the shocking part. They don't just sit there. These giants may control how galaxies grow, how stars form, and maybe even how the universe itself evolved. Today we're uncovering 5 jaw-dropping theories about the role of supermassive black holes. And trust me, number 1 will completely change how you think about the cosmos. Stay with me till the end, because the universe hides secrets far wilder than science fiction. One of the most mind-blowing theories is that supermassive black holes are the architects of galaxies themselves. As new galaxies form, their central black holes pump out massive jets of energy and radiation. These jets push gas around, shaping spiral arms, regulating size, and preventing galaxies from tearing themselves apart. Instead of being the end of everything, they may actually help create the cosmic structures we see today. Without them, the universe might look completely different. This theory suggests that supermassive black holes act like cosmic switches for star formation. When a black hole is calm, gas collects around the galaxy, forming new stars. But when it becomes active, it blasts out powerful winds and jets that blow away the gas clouds needed for starbirth. This means black holes don't just destroy, they decide when a galaxy makes stars, and when it goes silent for millions of years. They're not just cosmic monsters, they're cosmic regulators. Here's where things get even stranger. Some scientists believe that supermassive black holes form before galaxies, not after, meaning the very first black holes in the early universe acted like gravitational anchors. Gas and dust swirled around them, eventually forming the first galaxies we see today. If this theory is true, black holes weren't born from galaxies. Galaxies were born from black holes. A complete reversal of everything we once believed. The universe isn't random. It has a massive structure called the cosmic web, a network of galaxies stretching across billions of light years. Some physicists now believe supermassive black holes influence this gigantic pattern. Their powerful jets can heat intergalactic gas, changing how matter flows through the web's filaments. Over billions of years, black holes may have helped sculpt the universe into the cosmic web we see today, directing matter like invisible cosmic engines. And now, the most surprising theory of all. Supermassive black holes may act as cosmic timekeepers, influencing the flow of time across galaxies. Their immense gravity stretches space-time so dramatically that time runs slower near them. Some scientists theorize that this warping affects how galaxies evolve, how stars age, even how the universe expands. It suggests a wild possibility. Black holes aren't just objects. They might be engines that shape time itself. If this is true, understanding black holes could mean understanding the deepest laws of reality. Supermassive black holes are far more than cosmic destroyers. They may be the most powerful architects in the universe. Which theory shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments, and if you want more mind-bending cosmic secrets, make sure to subscribe. Because the universe is full of mysteries, and we're just getting started.